this video we will try to solve exercise 7.2. Okay, so basically in this chapter you must understand what is a factorial. Okay, a factorial is denoted by this symbol or this. Okay, but most of the time you will be using this one. So the definition is, this symbol is called factorial. Okay, so n factorial is a product of first n natural numbers. Okay, I will give you an example. Say 3 factorial. Okay, evaluate 3 factorial. Now according to the definition, you see it is a product of first n natural numbers. That means we have to find product of first n. This is your n, no? Here it is 3. First 3 natural numbers. Product of first 3 natural numbers. That is 3 factorial will be written as 3 into 2 into 1 or 1 into 2 into 3. Product of the first 3 natural numbers. Okay, you can write it this way also, you can write it this way also, same thing. If suppose 5 factorial, evaluate 5 factorial, then you will write 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Product of first 5 natural numbers, or you can write from like this also, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, now first question is evaluate 8 factorial. 8 factorial. It can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, till 1 we have to write. Or you can start it from 1 to 8 also, not a problem. But you must end with 1. Okay, end or start with 1. So multiply all the natural numbers and then you will get the answer. Final answer is this one. Okay, simply you multiply. Now next is number 2. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. Now how do you write 4 factorial? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, minus 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, now there is a shortcut way also. If you multiply this and minus this, you will get the answer. But to make the calculation more easier, what you can do is, you see here this and this portion is same, which is 3 into 2 into 1 is your 3 factorial. So similarly I can write this one as 3 factorial. 4 into 3 factorial minus this is for your 3 factorial. 3 factorial. Okay, now take 3 factorial common, then 4 will be left minus 1. Okay, so 3 factorial into 3. See, 3 factorial and 3 is totally different. It is not same. Don't multiply like that. 3 3s are 9 factorial. It don't become like that. So 3 factorial you evaluate 3 into 2 into 1 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 2 9s are 18. Your answer is 18. Okay, this way you can make your calculation more easier. So I hope this one is clear to you. Now next is question number 2. Is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial equal to 7 factorial? Okay, don't factorial and this factorial cannot be added. Let me tell you this. Be very clear. Don't simply add. If it was 4 plus 3, then it is 7. Okay, but 4 factorial plus 3 factorial, you cannot simply add this way. Okay, but here we have to prove whether this is equal or not. So first we are going to evaluate in the left hand side. 3 factorial plus 4 factorial. Okay, now whenever it is greater, 4 is greater than 3, we can express this as 3 factorial. 3 factorial plus 4 can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. See, this portion can be written for 3 factorial, which I will get common. 3 factorial plus 4 into 3 factorial. Okay, taking 3 factorial common, what you will get? 1 plus 4. So 3 factorial into 5. 3 into, evaluate this, 3 into 2 into 1 into 5. 3 2 is a 6, 5 6 is a 30. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now the right hand side part. Right hand side was your 7 factorial. Now let us evaluate 7 factorial. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, now you calculate all this. 7 into 5 6 is 30 into 3 4 12 2 is 24. Okay, now this is your final answer. Okay, now you see your left hand side is 30 and your right hand side is 5040. So 3 plus 4 factorial is not equal to 7 factorial. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now next question is question number 3. Okay, compute 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, so factorial like this also we cannot cut. Okay, we cannot reduce. 2 into 4, it will give us 4 factorial. It's not like that. Okay, otherwise you will get 0. So what we will do is 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, this one keep as it is for explanation. Okay, now what you can see is we will try to, if you open all these, you will get the same answer, but we must try to reduce the calculation so that it will make us, so the calculation will become easier. Now see, 8 factorial is bigger than 6 factorial. So obviously I can make this 8 factorial turn to 6 factorial. That means from here what I can get is, so that I can cancel this 6 factorial. Okay, you can cancel 2 also, but 2 factorial is less, only 2 into 1. So calculation is easier for 2 factorial. 6 factorial is big. So from 8 what I will do is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 will be my 6 factorial. It can become 6 factorial. So 8 into 7 into 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Now 6 factorial and 6 factorial can be reduced like this. Okay. Now next is 8 into 7. Open the factorial, 2 into 1. Now I can reduce. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 7s are 28. Very easy. This is your answer. Okay. I hope this one is clear. Now next is question number 4. If 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial equal to 8 by 8, x by 8 factorial, find x. Okay. Now we will always try to reduce the calculation. Okay. So 1 by 6 factorial. See, 7 is greater than 6. From 7 factorial, I can make it to 6 factorial and take this 1 by 6 factorial common. Okay. If you open the 7 factorial, you will get the next will be 6 factorial. Okay. 6 factorial you will get. And this one keep as it is. Then 1 by 6 I can take common now. We must always try to make the calculation easier. Or else you can open up and you can calculate also, but your calculation will become very much bigger. So 1 by 6 factorial. Here 1 will be left. If I take this common, then what will be remaining is 7. Okay. You can do it anyway, this question. factorial, take common, 7 plus 1 divided by 7 x, and then from 8 also you see 8 is bigger than 6. So from here also I will be getting a 6 factorial. 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. I can express this 8 factorial like this. Okay. Now 1 by 6 factorial, and then this becomes 8 by 7 factorial, x by 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Now you see 1 by 6. 1 by 6 factorial is there. 1 by 6 factorial is there. I can reduce this. Okay. What will be left is 8 by 7 equal to x by 8 into 7. You see, if I take 7 this side, then I can directly cancel this 7 and 7. But this both I cannot cancel. If it goes up, then it will become 64 equal to x. My x value is 64. Okay. I hope this one is clear to you. Or else, if you don't do like this also, straightly from here you can take both the LCM, 6 factorial and 7 factorial. Then here 7 factorial plus 6 factorial will be coming divided by 6 factorial into 7 factorial. Similarly here also you convert, then you can do it in different ways also this question. Okay. Now the last question, question number 5. Given this n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. When n equal to 6, r is equal to 2. So the first one I will do, n is 6. That means put here 6 divided by n minus r. That means 6 minus 2 factorial. 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial. I can reduce this 6 to 4 factorial. That is 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Cancel 30. Okay, very easy. And question number 2 will be your homework. You do it by yourself. Okay. I hope this exercise 7.2 is very easy. Lastly, thank you for watching the video.